to change primary payout method on TikTok. If you want to change your primary payout method on TikTok, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your TikTok app, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, and you have to go to your profile page here and just tap on the three horizontal line which is on the top right corner. Once you have tapped on that, go for the setting and privacy. Once you are on your setting and privacy, you have to just scroll down and select the creator tool. So just scroll down and select the creator tool here. If you don't see the option of creator tool, it might be under account or business suite depending on your account type. Just go for your account. So you have to switch your personal account to business account to make the creator tools on your account. So just set up the business account here. So if you have a business account, you have to just go for the business suite. Here, just tap on the business suite. Once you have tapped on this business suite, you have to look for the payout payment or monetization here. So the option may be vary, but it's typically under a section that related to your managing account in financial safety. So here you have to search for the manage payout method, and your current payout method and option will be available here to update them. So you can tap on the add a payment method or payout method, and you have to enter the required detail for your new payment method there. And you have to complete any necessary verification step for your payout method. So make sure all details are correct and confirm the changes there. Also, you have to check your balance account on your TikTok. Let's go for the TikTok here. Setting and privacy, just go for your balance. If your balance is 0, then you can't withdraw the money from your TikTok here. So here you can see that. With the help of this video, you will know about how you can change the primary payout method on TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.